There was once a rich man named Mr. James. He lived in a big house and owned many shops. People respected him because he had money. But Mr. James was very proud. He believed rich people were better than poor people. Every day, Mr. James walked through the market. On the road, he often saw a poor old man. The old man sat quietly near a small shop. His clothes were old and torn, but his face was always calm. One day, Mr. James stopped in front of him. He laughed and said, "Old man, why are you always sitting here? Don't you feel ashamed to be so poor?" The poor old man looked at him and smiled. He replied softly, "I am poor in money, not in heart." Mr. James laughed again and walked away. Days passed. Suddenly, Mr. James's life changed. His business started failing. One by one, his shops closed. He lost his money. His big house was taken by the bank. People who once respected him stopped visiting him. Mr. James felt lonely and broken. One evening, he was walking slowly on the same road. He saw the poor old man again. The old man was still sitting there. He still looked peaceful. Mr. James sat beside him. He lowered his head and said, "I understand now. I had money, but I had no kindness." The old man smiled and said, "Money comes and goes, but character stays forever." Tears came into Mr. James's eyes. That day, he learned the biggest lesson of his life. Moral: never judge others by wealth.